Good evening. My name is Dominic Gakonge and I'm a student at the Kenya School of TVET. In this video, I'm going to handle a task whereby I'm going to record a video where I'm going to identify a problem that exists in my workplace and the solutions for that. And I'm going to use the provided template for the problem solving chat. So in my institution, I work in a secondary school, and the problem I have identified is lack of timely and clear communication between departments that leads to missed deadlines, duplicated efforts, and communication among staff and members. So as you know, communication is very important in any institution so that the objectives and the goals of that institution are achieved. And I'm going to provide, based on the templates, 5 alternative solutions: potential advantages, potential disadvantages, potential consequences, respectively to each of those alternative solutions. The first alternative solution is to create a shared digital calendar for key events and deadlines. The potential advantage of this is to improve visibility and coordination. The disadvantage is that it requires training and consistent updates. The potential consequences or the effect of this solution is better planning and fewer overlaps. The second alternative solution is holding weekly interdepartmental briefings. The benefit of this is that it will build relationships and clarify priorities to staff. The disadvantage is that it is time consuming and it can reduce productivity. The consequence of this is that there will be stronger collaboration and faster issue resolution. The third is using a centralized communication platform like Teams, Google Meet, Slack, and so on. This will streamline messaging and sharing of files. The effect is that it can cause an overload of information. Real-time updates and better documentation will of course be the consequence of this alternative solution. The fourth alternative solution is assigning a liaison officer for each department. This will ensure accountability and follow-through, but it will add workload to one person, and therefore the consequence of this is that there will be a clear point of contact and improve the responsiveness in that communication structure. The last alternative solution, number 5, is that the institution should continue using on a more frequent basis email as the main communication tool. It is familiar and easy to use, but it is prone to delays and miss the messages because most people do not quite open their messages as frequently as they open messages in other social media apps. But the potential consequence of this is that there will be persistent confusion and inefficiency. So from this problem solving chat, the first 3 alternative solutions are the ones I can mark as the best solutions. Thank you.